The Philippine hawk eagle or banog, a large eagle with a total body length of 24 inches and a wingspan of 47 inches. The bird is endemic or only in the Philippines. Species with two races. Philippinensis, which can be found in Luzon, and Pitcairn, which can be found in Mindanao, Negros, and Samar. The Philippine hawk eagle lives in a forest. Due to the continuous deforestation and hunting, the PHE is categorized as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. This implies that it will become endangered or critically endangered in the near future. So let us take care of the PHE. Now, so, people of the Philippines, we have here the crescent serpent eagle. Go. So, people of the Philippines, we have here the serpent eagle. But, do you know about Philippine eagle? Let me tell you something about it. So, crescent serpent eagle is a medium-sized bird with short toes. You can see that their toes are little, about this size. And they have a diagnostic crested bud. It has a total length of 20 inches. It's locally distributed. Go.
Dahil po ng... Di ba maganda?
Wala tayo sa parot.
Hindi siya nagsasalita eh. Tingnan nyo. Testingin po natin kung marunong magsalita ang balaw.
Mayana.
Square root of 4 times 2 negative 3. All over 6. Sumagot po. Bali ka daw.
What the? What the? What the fuck? Hello. Hello. Babala.
Mais ang puno. Anong bunga?
Maganda ka. Lagyan mo at pangit. Hoy! Hoy!
Masama? Hepet?
Hooray!
Hooray!
Hey, hey! What the?
Hoy, bawal yun!
Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Hooray! Hooray! What's that? Hep, hep! Hooray! Woo-woo! Woo-woo! Arf, arf! Arf, arf! Arf, arf! Okay na.
Side is the Philippine scale-pin lizard, or in scientific name is Hydrosaurus pustulatus. Tunog dinosaur po mga kaibigan. In local name, iguana.
Ayun, no?
Ganyan po kalaking iguana ay kumakain lamang ng vegetable, fruit, insects, and frogs. Ang kanilang habitat ay sa unpolluted bodies of water, especially here in the Philippines. Those kinds of lizards are already endangered. And what is the interesting facts about this lizard? Miss Cameraman, pakituro doon. At pakituro dito. Sa inyo pong nakita, ang ating iguana doon ay merong fin sa buntot. At nandito yung wala. Ang iguana may fin sa buntot ay lalaki at ang walang buntot ay babae. That's all po. Sige lang. Parang ano natin yan.
Ngayon po ay hinahanap natin ng porcupine.
Ang mga teammate.
Nawawala po yung isa.
Sabi rito.
Oy!
Hey, don't say bad word. Uy, bawal yan.
Asan ba
Bawal
yan?
yung bad word.
Pre, saan ba yan?
Ano?
Yun. Palawan porcupine.
Ang nakikita niyo po ngayon ay ang aas niya. Ang tawag lang eh. So ay may scientific name na Python reticulatus. Common name, reticulated python o regal python. Ang kanyang kinakain ay bird, ay ibon, lizard, o
Tao.
mammal.
Tao.
And or any kind of mammals.
Ano lang, para makita nung anong picture.
Ganda? Sige, ito na.
Tapos na ba? Tapos na?
Nakatulo po. Tara.
Walang direct. Tayo direct. Ayan. Go! Mga palang kiyaw. Palawan talking myna. Scientific name, Dracula religiosa. Ang kiyaw ay may isa lamang sa Pilipinas at matatagpuan sa Balabac, Calamianes at Palawan. Buwang kahoy ang pinakagusto niyang pagkain. Dahil sa kakayahan nitong manggaya ng boses sa salita ng tao, ang kiyaw ay isa sa mga pinakapaboritong alagang hayop. At kung hindi nito patuloy na panghuli ng kiyaw, darating ang araw, ang kanilang lahi ay manganib at